The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the Las Vegas Police Department. At approximately 6:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there were many eyewitness reports of a mysterious creature floating above the city of Las Vegas. This creature has the following characteristics. This creature is blackened to 3 heads and makes non-human sounds. It is unknown what this creature's intentions are at this time. However, all residents of the city of Las Vegas are advised to remain vigilant. Seek shelter for precautions. While you are in your shelter, make sure to bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Armed forces are currently on high alert for precautions. Please stay tuned for further updates on this potentially dangerous situation.
Hello. This is your news host Zira here today. Today we have breaking news. It appears that the creature that was spotted in the skies of Las Vegas is hostile. And we just got an alert on the INDEC, and it's not good. Please stand by as we activate the emergency alert system through KNPR News.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Police Department. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for all residents of the city of Las Vegas. At approximately 7:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the creature that was spotted floating in the skies of Las Vegas, now known as the Wither, which is a creature from the video game Minecraft, has started to attack the city of Las Vegas. This creature is shooting explosive skulls, ramming buildings, and is showing no mercy to any person in its path. All armed forces attempts to take down this creature has so far failed horribly, which has resulted in the military coming to deal with this situation. This is a very dangerous situation, and should not be ignored. All residents of the city of Las Vegas are advised to evacuate immediately. When you evacuate, tie a white towel or cloth to your mailbox or door, to notify your local authorities that you have obeyed the evacuation order. Gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Evacuate the area in a calm manner, as panicking will only make the situation worse. Please stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation.